15, 16, 7 consecutive losses.
Good luck, young girl. I'll go back and watch my favorite TV show.
What are you, an old lady now?
Shut up!
17, 18. It's easy for her to say. She did all the talking and left. Jeez. Hup. They should offer some kind of follow-up service to help me win. The can is getting lighter and lighter. 19, 20. Why am I even playing a kick the can game? What's the point? I'm not a child. Let's get it over with. A bug just landed on your head.
Where?
I found you, CHO SHOKA.
Hey, it's cheating, you.
Nope, just call me a strategist.
You are a cheater.
Admit your loss, CHO SHOKA.
That's not the rule. Just because the tugger finds me doesn't mean I lost. If I kick the can before the tugger does, the game goes back to the very beginning. You have to catch me.
Hey, wait up!
You're gonna lose.
CHO, I knew from the beginning. I should be able to beat her, right? I can't win. Because your time has stopped.
Oh, are you that confident?
Because I'm fast. You were gone to a faraway place where I can never reach. But I promised myself that if I could trip back to the past, and have a chance, I will do my best to win.